So I'm recording here. This is spontaneous, just from the studio. Um, I want to show you how to use ffmpeg to concatenate two videos. So in the moment I'm working very simple with video recording and so on. I will improve this in the future. But just to show you, there's a simple program. You know, I recorded the videos on installing Debian or with LVM with 3 small partitions, disks, and I recorded the main video, and then I forgot some things I want to also record it. And you see, this is the first recording, 145 megabytes. The second recording, 70 megabytes, where I just show the output from LSBLK and BLKit, BLK ID. And I want to concatenate this to one video. I don't cut much things here in the moment. And these are the two files I want to stitch together, concatenate. And I have a command that I found out on research, and this is this one. I saved this on tips, my command ffmpeg concatenate two videos, and this is this ffmpeg -i, then part 1 mkv, then -i part 2 mkv. So the first video part and the second video part you want to concatenate. Then -filter underscore complex, and then this specific stuff, concat equal n equal 2 colon v equal 1 equal a equal colon a equal 1. And this is very specific, and this part you have to change if you want, for example, concatenate 3 videos. Then I think you have to insert there n equals 3, I think so. And the other options are for video and audio, and I think this means which audio and video, yeah, I can't explain it in this moment. But notice this, you have to change this if you want to work with more than 2 parts. Okay, but for the simple stuff, this is working well for to concatenate 2 videos. And then -y is giving a don't question, just execute this, and then at the end just the output file name. So that's it, and then you start this. And I just started this just in this moment before, and this is a complete command. ffmpeg -i the first part, -i the second part of video, and then is a filter complex, then -y, yes, start directly, and then the output name. Okay, so let's start this, and then we will see. Oh no, I stop this again, and then you know what, let's type time before to look how long it lasts. But what do I do? You see here also the time running up, how long he is processing, or is it the time from the video? I don't know. So you see the frames, frames per seconds, and the ki byte, Starting new cluster due to timestamp. Okay. I don't know how long it will need, but I think, okay, the time, what you see here, is the time in the video. This is 17 minutes, I think. So he is working in the moment on the frames in the 20th minutes in the video. Yeah. So the video is 1 hour long or so. So we have 1 of 4 parts already finished, I think. I let this run through. And, 1932. This is Tmax pop-up. Touch. I just touch a file, then I can look for it. Here again, now we have the first half hour of the video processed, so it's nearly done. The half time. And I like this. If you don't want to make it too complicated, you just record a video, record a second part, and stitch it together with ffmpeg. There are more possibilities I will not do in the moment, but I learn more about the stuff. There are or should be also possibilities to cut a video on a specific frame also. I don't know. But in the future, I think I will improve my channel and I will go more with KDN Live, put more things into the video and so on. But in the moment, I just start because it's about knowledge primarily, and also I learn and improve a bit my English speech, and so it's more about showing up about Debian, about the skills and so on. But it's interesting. ffmpeg is very, very helpful. ffmpeg manual page and documentation is unbelievable long. There are unbelievable many possibilities and things you can do. So, the last coffee. Yeah, I'm really happy. This was very successful today. I recorded the whole video about LVM installing Debian with Logical Volume Manager on 3 small disks. You can look for it on my channel. And now we concatenate the 2 parts, and I think I will upload it today, and it will getting public tomorrow maybe, or on the end of the week. We will see. This is just in real time, just to show you how long it needs for a 1 hour video in this case, and just a bit of talking. Like I said, in the future I will make the videos shorter. I will professionalize the things, but sometimes I think it's also interesting to have the possibility to look a process how it is really working in real time. You get the most views in YouTube when you professionalize the videos and so on and make them shorter and so. But in some cases, it's also interesting to see a real example in real time. So this is for me. And now you see it's completed. and real time 5 minutes, user time 16. So let's LT recording 10:21, and now you see these are the recordings from today. Here we have part 1 and part 2, and this is the output file, and this is the currently recording file. This is what will grow. And now we see the output file. The complete file is interesting. It uses less megabytes than the original. This is a bit confusing, so we will check this in later. But this is about ffmpeg and the simple way how to concatenate two video files with ffmpeg. And 21 19 to 6, no, 2 6, yeah. And here you see he's processing a while, yeah, because this file is growing, because this is the current recording file. So okay, and let's check begin. This is the timestamp file for beginning the ffmpeg process, and here you see we are now in 1936. The process was finished from ffmpeg, and 1932 we was beginning, or 1931. So it was really the 5 minutes for a video that lasts 1 hour, but the quality is not that amazing, because I work on a very simple small monitor, and the current, this will change in the future. Better screen is coming up, and then I can record more high resolution videos. And this is currently 1360 x 768 resolution, and in the future I will get a monitor with 1920x. So this is, I think, HD, and the other will be full HD, I think. So the resolution, the quality will be better in the future. Just by the way, this was about ffmpeg. Stay tuned. Never stop learning.